ओह, तो ये है तेरा क्यूबो का स्मार्ट लॉक।
सही है ना?
फिंगरप्रिंट से खुलता है?
हाँ, और क्या?
हाथ गंदे हो तो
RFID कार्ड से खोल लो।
गुम गया तो
पिन कोड से खोल लो।
भूल गए तो
मोबाइल ऐप या OTP से खोल लो।
फोन की बैटरी डेड हो गई तो
सही पकड़े। फिर तो चाबी से खोलना पड़ेगा, जैसे तू हमेशा खोलता। कहाँ गई? ओह, ये रही।
Beta, you need any help?
बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट एंड बेस्ट प्राइस के साथ विद लॉट्स ऑफ फीचर्स, मैक्स बैटरी बैकअप, हाइपर लैप्स एंड टाइम लैप्स gesture mode is face objective and very lightweight, too light, foldable and easy to carry. Qubo, it's a group of hero company. So guys, price के लिए text करें Qubo hand gimbal.
The Qubo Video Doorbell is a best-in-class video doorbell. This device has various features that will add convenience to your life and help provide that extra layer of security to your home. Let's go over the features of the Qubo Video Doorbell. Receive a video call instantly when a visitor presses the doorbell. Once you receive a video call, you can either answer and have a video chat with the visitor or respond by selecting one of the pre-fed audio messages. Hi, I'm just coming. Watch full HD live footage on your phone from anywhere. With night vision, even a completely dark area is clearly visible. This device has built-in speakers and microphone, so you can hear what's happening at the door and instantly converse through the Qubo app. Leave the package at the door.
Okay, sir.
The Qubo Video Doorbell can distinguish between human beings and objects. Users can select motion or person as the trigger for recording and notification, so the device can notify you if someone is at your door, even if they don't press the bell. Zone fencing allows you to create a virtual safety zone to safeguard a certain area. This device has 3 modes: home, away, and night. Each of these modes can be customized based on user preferences. For instance, you may configure the device to only video call you when it is in away mode. Users can also set routines to automate their homes. Simply put, routines are in 2 parts, a trigger and an action. A device detects a preset trigger and takes a preset action based on that trigger. For instance, you may configure the device to play a customized voice message when someone presses the bell. The Qubo Video Doorbell comes with a wireless chime bell which requires AAA batteries. The chime bell has 36 chime options for you to choose from. This device also has a Do Not Disturb mode which can turn off the chime bell and video calls. This device has tamper detection. It uses a magnetic sensor which enables the video doorbell to instantly inform you and play a siren if someone tries to steal the device. The Qubo Video Doorbell uses Qcrypto, which ensures that data transmission between the device and cloud or between the mobile app and the cloud is secure, confidential and private. Hope you are now familiar with the features of the Qubo Video Doorbell.